Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today we are in the town of Putignano, a very cute town located in between the two main airports, between Bari Airport and Brindisi Airport. It's actually less well known than some of the other towns, and often that means that they remain more authentic than some of the other towns that have become more touristic. But the property we're seeing today is this beautifully restored townhouse. It is a 3-bedroom townhouse, 210 square meters, and it's absolutely stunning. It's very much one of those properties that kind of seems more like a piece of art than necessarily a property.